Hey there! Is your iPhone's camera app missing those quick action burst shots, and are you unsure how to use it? No worries, I'm here to help you out. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to take a burst shot with your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Enable Prioritize Faster Shooting. Start by opening your Settings app. Then tap on Camera. After that, scroll down a bit. Now tap on Prioritize Faster Shooting. Make sure to toggle it on. Next, give this method a try. Solution 2. Use the volume button. Open up the camera app. Make sure you are in photo mode. Then press and hold either volume button. Your iPhone will capture a burst of photos. Release the button once you have taken enough shots. Solution 3. Review burst photos. Open the Photos app. Find and tap on the burst photo series you just captured. Tap on Select. Choose your favorite shots from the burst series. After that, tap Done to save the photos you selected. And there you go! That's how you can take and manage burst shots on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!